So I'm back. Right, so I finished my autoclicker. I decided to call the well, if this thing can load. I decided to call it the clickinator. But anyway, last time I made this video about my autoclicker, I think I only got to talk about basically the Windows API in C# and all those weird data types, and how there's no unions in C, which I still don't think there are, and initializing structures and public stuff. I don't think I talked about public stuff in DLL import and stuff like that. So basically, and last time you saw that I was only able to send one click, but that was the most important part, really, just getting the clicking mechanism. If you haven't seen that, then check out my previous video. It's on my channel, among all other science and math stuff. You should see it. Basically, title C# autoclicker development. Basically, same as this video title, I think. But anyway, so I did get the the actual auto clicking part by, well, making a timer, right? So basically what I did here, I actually don't think I need this. I mean I had this code comment, I didn't need it, but anyway, so basically what I did, right, because my app, the auto clicker, what it does is that it asks you for how many seconds you want to send these clicks for. And that's because I figured that a lot of people would probably want to use this app to, I guess, beat click speed testers like I was trying to do. But there's an option to click indefinitely if you want to do that, if you just want to just click like cookie clicker and stuff like that. But anyway, to get the clicking for so and so seconds part, basically what I did is I think I did something interesting. I don't know if this is the most efficient way, but I think this is one of the ways to do it. That basically upon clicking the send clicks button, I recorded the current time, right? So what did they do that? So I recorded the current time. I just called the variable. I made click time variable. Record the current time, right? And then I start the timer, right, with the given interval, with like the given frequency, I guess. So every 20 milliseconds, 30 more, 40 milliseconds. So that's basically what I did. So I recorded the current time, right? And then every timer tick, I just basically checked to see how many seconds passed, right? How many seconds passed since the time I clicked the button, right? How many seconds? And basically, if those total number of seconds was under the value I wanted it to be, like if it was under 10 seconds, if I wanted to be clicking for 10 seconds, then it would just send a click. And as soon as that's not true, as soon as it was been more than 10 seconds, time would detect that, it would stop itself and do everything. I don't need this. Also, you see I've been done a lot of test codes and stuff like that, and I commented off stuff to see if it worked or not, so I'm just getting rid of those. But anyway, so again, like last time, I'm yapping, so I think it's about time I show you how this thing works. So you should see, right, there's been a bunch of GUI changes, I think, since last time. I need to rewatch my old videos, but basically I have me another click speed testing thing. So just for reference, let's just see how fast I can click in 10 seconds. I've been doing a little practice. So let's see here. So you can see all this right now. Hopefully this thing is recording. It's recording, yes, that's good. Yeah, so I'm just do my click speed test for 10 seconds, see how fast I can click. So here it goes. So you should be able to hear that. A nice sound effect. Alright, so this thing called me a minor. 5 stars is good. My click speed test is 9.60 clicks per second. Now let's see how fast this thing can do. At its maybe I'll set this to every 100 milliseconds. Right? Send one click every 100 milliseconds. This is my 10 second test, so I'm gonna send it for 10 seconds. I need to set my cursor position, so I'm gonna track my pointer and just press space on wherever I want to send my clicks. Then I'll just send clicks. And I wrote a caution message there. because I think it's important that the window that you want to send clicks to is directly underneath at the actual app window. Otherwise, it's going to be clicking something else. And if you have like a crazy settings, like send 1,000 clicks every 20 milliseconds forever, then I think you'd be kind of screwed. So I think this dialogue was writing that was necessary. So I set everything up. Let's see how fast this thing can go. So it's still going. Alright, so this thing clicks slower than me, 9.10 clicks per second. But let's see, let's make this even faster. I did every 100 milliseconds. We'll do 1/5 of that every 20 milliseconds for 10 seconds. Let's see. So pointer still everything good. And let's see what happens. Oh, that's fast. So you can see, right? So you can see the actual timing mechanism. The timing mechanism I coded works because I think almost at exactly 10 seconds, and the thing stops automatically. So it looks like a good transition, really. I mean, there's no offset between the timer on this website and the timer in my app. So I trust that this app will be able to stop whenever you need it to stop. So that's good. So you can see how fast this thing clicks. And also one more feature that I added was that suppose I wanted to click indefinitely, right? Let me just reposition my cursor and stuff. So I'm gonna click right here. Send one click every 20 milliseconds for, well, forever. So suppose I wanted to do that. I do this. And well, it's going, right? But suppose I wanted to stop, right? So basically what I did for the application is I just hooked a function, right, to the actual hover event on my app window, so that if I hover my mouse pointer over the window, right, if I do that and one of the timers is on, then the app will just stop everything, reset. So because I think the last thing that anyone would want is clicking indefinitely, like, I don't know, 1,000 clicks per 1 second or 1,000 clicks per second or something, and then not being able to stop. So that's not good. So you can see here, I hover anywhere to stop. So if I do this, it stops when I want it to stop, so that's good. I haven't put this under extreme loads. I mean, I put it under the most extreme loads I could on this computer, but I don't know how it would behave on other computers. Hell, I don't even know if it would even run on other computers, depending on if I compile this thing very badly. That would depend on compiler settings though. So basically, yeah, so that's what I've done so far. And you've seen a small demonstration, so follow for more things like this, and stay tuned because I might put this on GitHub. I think I hope I can put this on GitHub. So yeah, if I do that, then stay tuned for that, so that you can maybe download this and have a little fun for yourself.